everyone. Master, give us this day hard work to do, work that will tax us and strain us, work that will stretch our muscles and engross our minds, work that will employ all our power of body and intellect and heart. If our work appointed this day be study and training for life, reveal unto us our responsibility for the future. Teach us that every faculty of our body and mind must be faithfully prepared so that when our time comes, we may go forth fit instruments for service, weapons polished and keen, wherewith we may fight the battle of righteousness and truth, vanquishing error, oppression and wrong. If our work be the training and teaching of others, then make our minds pure and humble, that no strain of selfishness and lethargy, of mean purpose or low ideals, or may mar this weighty and honorable service which has been committed to our charge. The song today is Tumi Ho Mata Pita Tumi Ho. Here it starts.
तुम्ही हो